Well, hey there, friends. Glad you made it. Today I found myself along a simple fence line, one of those places where the land shifts and the view opens up. Felt like the right spot to stop for a moment and reflect. You know, fence lines like this one, they remind me how important boundaries can be. Not just the physical kind that separate fields, but the quiet, invisible ones we set in our own lives. Boundaries aren't walls. They're not meant to keep people out or hold us in. They're space. They're protection. They help us define what matters, what we're willing to carry, what we're allowed to set down. In a world that's always pushing us to go faster, to give more, be more, it's okay to have lines. To say, this is where I rest, this is where I protect my peace, and this is where we begin again. Oh? Well now, Kurik. Didn't expect you out here in the quiet. Thank you for sharing this little moment of peace with me. Take this calm with you. Carry it into the noise of the world. Stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.